Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into Grigora, an AI-powered all-in-one website builder that's gunning to replace WordPress, Wix, and all those extra tools you've been juggling. And here's the kicker. There's a lifetime deal on AppSumo right now, so you can lock it in forever for a one-time price. Let's start with speed, and I don't just mean loading times. Grigora's drag-and-drop builder is ridiculously easy to use. No coding, no hunting for plugins, no 12-step setup process. You pick a template, drag in your sections, and you're done. Plus, hosting, SSL, and a CDN are included, so your site loads fast everywhere, right out of the box. Here's where it gets interesting. Grigora has built-in AI tools. Need a blog post? It can write one for you. Need help ranking? It gives you on-page SEO suggestions, finds keywords, and even suggests internal links. That's stuff you'd normally need separate tools like Jasper, Ahrefs, or Rank Math for, all baked right in. You're not just building a site, you're building an audience. Grigora comes with built-in email newsletters, lead capture forms, and pop-ups. That means no paying extra for MailChimp or ConvertKit. You can collect subscribers and send campaigns from the same dashboard you build your site in. And if you work with a team, agencies, or collaborators, Grigora's got commenting and shared dashboards. You can build faster, get feedback instantly, and scale across multiple sites without a mess of logins. Now here's the big win. Most website builders with these features charge $20 to $50 a month, plus extra for SEO tools, plus extra for email marketing. That's easily $500 plus a year. With the AppSumo Lifetime Deal, you pay once, starting at just $59. And that's it. No more monthly bills. If you're tired of juggling tools and want a faster, easier, and more SEO-friendly way to build your site, this is worth a serious look. I've dropped a link in the description. Check it out to lock in the Grigora Lifetime Deal before it's gone.